Hey guys, Justin here from Simplified Investing. I wanted to put together a watch list for you guys tomorrow to find some plays that you can potentially see into next week and what we will personally be looking at for plays intraday tomorrow. It will be heavily reliant here on tech earnings. There's so many earnings this evening after market close. You have Amazon, Apple, Facebook, all of these large cap tech stocks will be reporting earnings after hours today. And I wanted to throw this out there as a heads up that this will very likely move the market tomorrow, and especially the tech sector and the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's heavily going to be weighted towards the technology sector, and a majority of them are reporting earnings tonight. So make sure to play careful if you are looking into QQQ, and also making sure that you understand when your positions do have earnings, as it is going to be a very volatile time. Starting off here, we have SPY, market ETF. We like to break this down first to get a general idea of where we're going. Again, clear uptrend here back from 4.3, back when we had this sell-off. Really what we've been seeing here since the beginning of July is not much movement at all. If you look at the beginning of July here, we've moved from 316 now to 319. We've had a 1% move the entire month. We're getting very stagnant here on the market, and it's likely due to the fact that the market's trying to anticipate where is the economy going to go from this coronavirus. Is it going to recover as fast as they'd hope, or is it going to affect the economy? Like today, the market sold off on open due to bad GDP numbers. Is this something that will plague the economy for the coming year, or is it something that can bounce back? Now that brings me to another point, is basically the way the market is holding up now, and the government and the Fed is holding it up, is by printing more money. Now, what does this mean? That's going to likely mean that we will see inflation. The value of the dollar will go down, and this is why when you look at gold prices, they are shooting up because they are anticipating this inflation here. So getting back to SPY here, holding this 320 bottom we called out with the team today, really choppy here on the daily chart, not much trend or direction at all. In order to get any move to the upside here, ideally watching a break of 328.48. A close today above 324 would have some strength into tomorrow. Still waiting on this daily candle to close. We have another 45 minutes here. Looking for some more volume. You can zoom out here. Not much volume recently here at all. You see this uptrend move here back on June 9th. You can see this volume accompanying this, and obviously back in March. Look at that, slow descending volume here. Not much movement on the market. People are trying to anticipate where is the market going to go, and that's why you're seeing such a stagnant market currently. The first play that we'll watch, and actually a play that we had two plays on today, is going to be Qualcomm. You may be wondering, hey, why are they pushing up so much here? That is going to be due from a strong earnings report here. You can see volume coming in accompanying this earnings report here. Going in on the 5-day, 5-minute here, really what I'm seeing here is I'm watching for a close here above 106.40. Where did I get this 106.40 from? That ended up being the aftermarket rejection point here. It's at all-time highs here. Hard to chart resistances, but that was a strong level. You can see rejected here after reported and right here. Now we're pushing up here and really consolidating on this price point here at 106.41. I'm looking for this to close here into tomorrow and watching for a play on Qualcomm with this strong uptrend strength here that we are getting on the 1-year, 1-day chart. You can see big gapper here. Either tomorrow, I would ideally like to see a hold today here of this 106.41 and breakthrough of the highs at 107.40. Or if we do see a retest of this 105 bottom here, intraday tomorrow to watch for call plays to the upside. Or you can play puts here below 103.74 with huge room here back down to this mean reversion at 94.93. Very strong report here from Qualcomm, looking very strong into tomorrow, and we also had two plays on it here today. Next one is going to be also in the technology sector. It's going to be C Limited ADR. This is one that very, very interesting pattern here. You can see we have this, basically it touches this bottom 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Confirming this bottom here. Now we're trying to break through of this 120.47 level. Where did I get that from? That's going to be the rejection point here on 7.7, rejection point here on, what day was this? On 7.15, rejection point here on 7.22, and we're getting rejected here and here, finally breaking through this price point. I want to watch this tomorrow. above 124.80. Why 124.80? That was the 713 high of the day before we ended up selling off here from all the way up there, all the way down to 115 area. Big sell-off day here. Watching for a break tomorrow. I can draw this line for a visual for you guys. Watching this breakthrough of this price point here tomorrow for a play for the team. We'll be updating the team pre-market on this watch list, on this play, and we'll be watching for a breakout here with potential at 129 on this strong uptrend strength here. Looking for some more volume coming in here, stronger price action, waiting on close here on this one for a play into tomorrow. Again, strong uptrend here. However, the market tomorrow is going to be heavily reliant on earnings. How do Amazon, how do Apple, how do all of these basically pillars of the economy forecast the coming months? It's going to be priced in as being a bad outlook. Obviously, with the way the market and the economy has been lately, it's going to be more difficult. It's going to basically revolve around their guidance. Do they have their full guidance that they had revised from last quarter? Are they looking to increase their guidance? Really, you're going to be watching for how is the market anticipating this? Are we going to get a big move here? If the earnings are good, you will see the tech sector push up. You will see QQQ, Netflix, all of those that don't report earnings will likely move with Apple, Facebook, all of those reporting earnings after hours. So if you guys are into tech sector overnight, make sure to play that careful, as it will be heavily reliant here on earnings reports, which are essentially going to be a gamble. Next one, very interesting pattern. The last one here, NVDA. We're trying to break out towards highs here. I really want to see this daily close here above 424.31. You can see we got rejected here, forming this big body of this candle here after this breakthrough. Rejection all the way down here. Strong sell-off from 420, 424 all the way down to 400 here. Huge sell-off day. Very strong level here. You can see it here, here, and right here. We're trying to break through this level here. If you go in here, we can go into NVIDIA down here on this screen and look at it intraday here. Mention this level here to the team. We're getting rejected here, 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 not getting any volume or strength above this level. We need this level to break here into tomorrow for NVIDIA to push to highs here. We are seeing highs back here at 431.69. Draw this price point so we can visualize this for you guys and alert our members tomorrow on this. Again, ideally need a close here above 424.31. We'll be watching volume and price action here into the close. See if we can confirm a break above this level. We need more strength here, and we'll also be monitoring it into tomorrow's open here. Strong reversal off of this 414 bottom here, 415.23. You can see push up, confirms that support at the middle VWAP. Consolidation then pushes up here. We'll be really watching this again up here if we close above this 424.31 with a potential at 431.69. NVIDIA going to be heavily reliant here on earnings, as is the market. So if you guys are playing anything overnight, make sure to play light and stay safe overnight with all of these earnings reports happening from these big tech stocks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and watch this. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. If you could check out our team at simplified-investing.com, we would love to have you guys on board. Hope you guys all had an amazing day and look forward to tomorrow with you guys on the team. Thank you.